Hi guys, it's Michelle from BeadNWire Beading. I wanted to come on and let everyone know that the giveaway is now over. It's June 30th. We were giving away this beautiful handmade bag charm or chunky charm, and the giveaway was to get 250 subscribers. And as you can see, we didn't get 250 subscribers. I still want to give this beautiful chunky charm away. So what I'm gonna do is kind of be probably a little bit more realistic. And let's shoot for 150 subscribers. And we're going to keep this giveaway going until July 15th. And at that point, if we have 150 subscribers, we will go ahead and draw someone randomly to win this beautiful chunky charm. I wish I was drawing for a winner tonight, but unfortunately that's not how it works. So July 15th will be our cutoff. We need 150 subscribers. So if you're watching and you haven't subscribed already, please do so. Tell your friends, tell your family, anyone that's interested in this type of videos or tutorials or beading. Share, tell everybody. I would greatly appreciate it. So I will keep coming on periodically and giving everyone some more encouragement. And hopefully we can get this beautiful chunky purse charm to a new home. So in the meantime, I have barely started on a new little project. These little blingy rings were kind of popular several years ago, but excuse my nails guys, I think they're so cute. So I wanted to try and make some. So this is one that I had from a while ago, but this is my inspiration. And I went ahead and purchased all the things I needed for this project. I'll show you quickly what I got. I have the ring bases. I have this style. These are gold. So I have this style with 8 loops. There's 8 loops on here. So that way we can add little dangles of beads onto each loop. And of course I'm going to make these gold with the head pins. But just to get an idea, we will just attach some beads onto the loops and make this pretty awesome ring. So I think this ring has 10 hoops, and you can attach 2 or 3 dangles on each loop. So I'm hoping to do a tutorial with you guys and show you guys how I put this together. I've kind of practiced a little bit on this one, and like I said, it is just practice, so it still needs some work. I'm finding that I need to shorten my head pins a little bit, probably, and make these beads lay closer together. I'm just working on color scheme and how many beads I want. So I also purchased this different style of ring base. These are all silver. These have a flat base, and then they have some loops, not even loops, they're just indentations. I don't know if you could see this close up. Indentations that you can add beads to. So, and there are 3, 4, 5, 6, probably 8 slots here. So we're going to work on that. I kind of placed a bead onto a base so I could see how it looks. So that's going to be the idea. I went ahead and bought a bunch of Swarovski crystals to play with. I have some various colors. I have a couple amethyst. These may be a little bit big for what I'm using them for, but I'm going to see. I have a couple tanzanite. These are the smaller ones, 3 millimeters. And these are 4 millimeters. So those will look really cool together. And I love this Capri Blue. This is a 4 millimeter. And then I have packs of 3 millimeter. And that Capri Blue I think is so pretty. So I have a couple packs of those. And then I also have this silver base ring with the loops. And I purchased this, I think, at Joann's. And it only comes with one. The price on here was not what I paid. It was on clearance, I think, or on sale. So if you guys are going to buy these, you might want to check it out. And it's called the Ring with Loops. And this particular one has 10 loops. And it will make a nice full ring once we're done. So please join me for the next tutorial. We're going to put one of these rings together and I'll show you how we do it. And it's going to look so beautiful with these certain colors that I have here. So once again, thanks for watching. Please subscribe if you haven't, so that way you can be entered into the drawing for our beautiful chunky charm. So I'll see you guys soon for the tutorial for the blingy ring. Thanks again for watching.